If you love Pastor Nathaniel Bassey, drop him a heart in the comment section. God bless you.